Hello everyone, I'm Kristel and Celemin from the Batangas State University, Alangilan Campus, taking Bachelor of Science in Information Technology from the section 2105.
This video is all about the packet tracer of the chapter 4, packet tracer connecting a wired and wireless. So first is we have here the addressing table. So it has a device, interface, IP address connects to. Then the objectives of this is part 1, connect to the cloud. Part 2, connect router 0. Part 3, connect remaining devices. Part 4, verify connections. Part 5, examine the physical topology. So background. When working in packet tracer, a lab environment, or a corporate setting, you should know how to select the appropriate cable and how to properly connect devices. The activity will examine device configurations in packet tracer, selecting the proper cable based on the configuration, and connecting the devices. This activity will also explore the physical view of the network in packet tracer. So the part 1. Part 1, connect to the cloud. Step 1, connect the cloud to router 0. At the bottom left, click the orange lighting icon to open the available connection. So we will connect the cloud to router 0. So we will use this one, the straight through. So letter B, choose the correct cable to connect router 0 FA0/0 to cloud Ethernet 6. Cloud is a type of switch, so use a copper straight through connection. If you attach the correct cable, the link lights on the cable will turn green. So we will use the straight through cable. So the router FA0/0 pass Ethernet to the cloud Ethernet 6. So it says here that the Ethernet. So we can conclude here that the cable that we use is correct because it turns green. It says here that if you attach the correct cable, the link lights on the cable turn green. So the next is step 2, connect the cloud to cable modem. Choose the correct cable to connect cloud Coaxial 7 to modem port 0. If you attach the correct cable, the link lights will on the cable turn green. So we will connect the cloud to the cable modem. So we will use this one, the Coaxial. Cloud Coaxial 7 to port 0. Yeah, there. It's also green, so it means that correct cable. Then part 2, connect router 0. Step 1, connect router 0 to router 1. Choose the correct cable to connect router 0 serial 0/0/0 to router 1 serial 0/0. Use one of the available serial cables. So this one is the serial cable. So the router 0 serial 0/0, then to the router 0. There. It also color green. It means that it is correct. So step 2, connect router 0 to NetAcad PKA. So this is the router 0 and this is the NetAcad PKA. Choose the correct cable to connect router 0 FA0/1 to NetAcad.pka FA0. Routers and computers traditionally use the same wires to transmit 1 and 2 and receive 3 and 6. The correct cable to choose consists of this cross wire although many NICs or the NICs can now auto-sense which pair is used to transmit and receive. Router 0 and NetAcad PKA do not have auto-sensing NIC. So, we will use the crossover. So, this one is the crossover. So, we will connect the router FA0/1 to NetAcad as Ethernet 0. So, it turns green. So, we have the chosen the correct cable. Then, step 3, connect router 0 to the configuration terminal. This one is the configuration terminal and this one is the router 0. So, a configuration terminal RS232, this cable does not provide network access to configuration terminal, but allows you to configure router 0 through its terminal. So, we will use the console cable. Router console to RS232. So, it says here that if you attach the correct cable, the link lights on the cable turn black. So, if we notice, it becomes black. Here, also black. Then, part 3, connect remaining devices. Connect router 1 to switch. Router 1 to switch. Choose the correct cable to connect router 1 FA1/0 to switch FA0/1. If you attach the correct cable, the link lights will turn green. Allow a few seconds for the light to transition from amber to green. So, we will use this one, the fiber. We will connect the router 1 and 2 switch using the fiber cable. So, it says here, we will use the fast Ethernet 1/0 to then switch fast FA0/1. So, here. So, there. It says here the green, and then we will wait a few seconds to turn this amber color to green. So, let's proceed to the next one while we are waiting to become green. So, step 2, connect cable modem to wireless connection. The cable modem to wireless router. So, we will use the straight through. Let's try if the straight through is correct. So, the port 1 and internet port. So, it turns green. So, it is correct. So, we'll see that the amber color a while ago, it turns green. So, we have a correct chosen cable. So, we will proceed to the step 3. Connect wireless router to family PC. Choose the correct cable to connect wireless router Ethernet 1 to family PC. If you attach the correct cable, the link lights will turn green. So, we will use again the straight through. We will connect the wireless Ethernet 1 to family switch, to family PC. So, let's wait. Part 4, verify connections. Test the connection from family PC to NetAcad PKA. Open the family PC. This one. Then, command prompt. Desktop. Then, the command prompt. Then, ping the NetAcad PKA. So, we will find here this one is the IP address of the NetAcad PKA. So, we will ping this one. Let's ping 10.0.0.254. So let's wait for the reply. So we only got two replies, so we will repeat. So there we have 4 replies. It means that we have the connection here. So letter B, open the web browser and the web address http /netacad.pka. So we'll press that. The web browser. The web browser is this one. Then we will put the http then netacad.pka. Then we will go. So there, netacad.pka, my favorite page. So we are now in the we enter the netacad.pka. So it means that we have the correct connection. So let's close it. So step 2, ping the switch from home PC. Open the home PC command prompt and ping the switch IP address to verify the connection. To verify, so we will open the home PC. This one is the home PC. Then desktop, then the command prompt. Then we will ping the switch. We will locate. So this one is the IP address of the switch. So we will type here 172.16.16.0.2. So enter. So let's wait for the reply again. So we only got 2 replies, so we will repeat. So there we have now we have 4 replies, so it means that we have a connection. The home PC and the switch has a connection. So let's proceed. Step 3, open router 0. So we will close it. Open router 0 from configuration terminal. Configuration terminal, then open the terminal of configuration terminal and accept the default settings. The terminal of the configuration terminal and accept the default setting. So enter. Then press enter to view the router 0 command prompt. So I enter, so that's why the router 0 appear. Then type show IP interface brief to view interface statuses. So show IP interface brief. So enter. So here we can see here the IP address, the fast Ethernet 0/0 there. Then part 5, examine the physical topology. Step 1 is examine the cloud. Click the physical workplace tab or press Shift plus P and Shift plus L to toggle between the logical and physical workplaces. So we'll Shift P. Then click the home city icon. This one is the home city icon. Then click the cloud icon. Cloud icon. So this one is the cloud. So it has question here. How many wires are connected to the switch in the blue rack? So this is the blue rack. So it has 2 wires. This one and this one. So it has 2 wires connected. Then click back to return to home city. Back. Then we are now in the home city. Then click the cloud icon.
Shh.
Step 2, examine the primary network. So this one is the primary network. Hold the mouse pointer over the various cable. What is located on the table to the right of the blue rack? So here, hold the mouse pointer over the various cables. So this one, we have the copper crossover cable. Then we have the copper again. Then the copper rollover. This one is the serial. So next is back to the home city. Then examine the home network. So this is the home network. Letter A. Why is there an oval mesh covering the home network? So the answer is for that is because it was in a house. So letter A. Why is there an oval mesh covering the home network? So because it has it is the range. So here the oval. So because it is the range of a oval mesh. So because the oval mesh covering is it tells the range of the oval mesh. So letter B, click the home network icon. So the question is, why is there no rack to hold the equipment? So we cannot see anything here, so it doesn't have a rack. So it is because it was in a house and no need of high security. Then letter C, click the logical workspace tab to return to the logical topology. Just back here and click the logical workplace tab to return to logical topology. So there, we are done in this packet tracer. So to conclude this video, we'll just do is to connect or the PC, the router, the cloud using the correct cables. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.